We came to this random gas station and they have all these foreign food, Lay's. I don't even know what this says. It says minus 50%. I don't know, minus 50% chips because it's half a bag. But these are wasabi. It's not hot. It just has a hint of. These are good.
I forgot you got it.
Huh? I don't know what this says. I'm assuming this says something about Dubai chocolate, but I don't know.
Thank you. It's 2 pieces.
You don't ain't gotta do all that smack. I'm not tasting any different from a regular Kit Kat. It literally tastes just like a regular Kit Kat, right?
Yeah.
All right, now the matcha.
Thank you. Same.
Yeah, I can't tell no difference. These are giant skillets. Giant Skittles. So let's see what they look like. You get red and I'll get red.
Okay. Irish waters.
Something's inside of it. Please tell me what is inside of this.
Are you doing it too?
I ain't smacking like that. Mm-mm.